and I actually will be right back after you see that unboxing and get my opinion and everything else on it and what you guys think. And did you get your Apple Watch? And let me know. And I'll be right back after these videos. Hey, what's up? Came back. What y'all think about the watch? Did you like the unboxing on it? Do you want to see more on the watch? Like I said before, I actually got a case on it right now. So this is the Black History Month. Pretty much the colorway. I'm gonna see if I could show that. You probably seen from the watch and everything on the Black History Month of it. But I broke my tripod, so I actually have to, well, my daughter broke it. So I have to use my hands right now. I'm actually buying a new one. So stay tuned for that. What I think about the band and the Apple Watch, I think it's really dope, the colorway I made. And the casing I got on it, I like it, but I don't like it because it don't show off the watch. So I'm actually going to try to get I'm looking for a glass for that, or I might look for that seal to put on there. I know I see one on Amazon to give you like 10 or 20 in a pack. I might put that on there because I know I hit my arm off the table and stuff like that when I'm doing a lot of things and stuff like that. So you guys, what you think about the Apple Watch Series 7 Black History Month? I'm actually going to be making more videos. More videos is coming. Stuff on the MacBook Pro. And like I said before, I'm gonna say this a million times on my channel. You know, leave a comment below, and also the link below will be a opportunity for you to be able to win my MacBook Pro. It's a link to my website. You'll be able to get in, be able to get an opportunity to win my MacBook Pro, and it's just one simple thing. You just go in, and I don't pick the winner. I have a generator that will pick it, and I will be doing it live. Who I pick the winner, I'll be mailing it out to you. It's only in the US only for right now, and I'm actually going to probably be doing another one pretty soon. But we actually have a lot of stuff coming, like the new Ford Bronco. I actually ordered another one, so you're going to see a video on that. Me talking about me ordering, what happened with the last order, and stay tuned for that video because that's going to be dropping up this week. I'm actually going to try to drop at least 2 to 3 videos a week for you guys because I want to get back on it. So it might just be vlogs, it might just be me talking about cars, might talk about tech because I know I have the green iPhone coming in, so we stay tuned for that. Doing an unboxing on that, and stay tuned. I don't know, I might be giving that away. But what you guys think about the watch? The colorway they made on that watch, the band, I think they did pretty dope on that watch. It's just something different, and I actually pretty much like it, and I like what Apple did with the watch and how they made it. You guys tell me your thoughts and features. Did you buy an Apple Watch? What you like about it? And do you want to see me give that one away next? Because I could put that on the website, and you guys can enter in for that to give it out away. But I just wanted to make this quick video, this quick vlog, just quick thing, just about, you know, the Apple Watch Series 7, what y'all think about it and what y'all like about it. You know, actually, it's a dope watch. I like it. Like I said before, I got it on. I'm actually going to take the casing off so you guys can see, get more of a look on it. So after y'all seen that unboxing, this is just what it looked like. So if you see the green matching the band, and then I have the band watch there. I get that here. So that's what it looked like on the arm. What it looked. I actually like it, and then I picked up one of these things to put on it to protect the Apple Watch because actually I like it better without the band. I mean, not casing on it, because it actually looks a lot better. So when you look at it there, it looks a little better without the casing on it, but I don't want to screw up the screen. So I am going to be buying something to put on that screen that actually makes it look a little better, because I actually like it without the screen on it. If you see there, I like it without the casing on it because you see that green pops with that. You guys stay tuned. Like I said before, there's going to be merch coming. A lot of stuff coming big this year. We got, you know, my detail business. Stay tuned. I'm gonna leave a link for the channel for that. I actually have my own real estate company I'm working on right now too, so stay tuned for that. So I'm actually gonna be working on a channel where I show you guys how to get in to open up your own company with your real estate, how to flip houses, how to do everything, because you're gonna do it from scratch, just like me. I'm new, and you're gonna see me go from scratch learning and everything else, so you guys can see that if I could do it and learn and stuff like that, you could do it. You go out there and learn it, because to me, I feel like real estate investment is the best thing to get into right now. Just to know everything, and I'm a real estate agent and investor, so stay tuned for that. I know my camera's shaky, my bad, because I don't have my tripod. It broke, the piece broke on there. So I have the ring light that I do, and then things I got for my video that I shoot for my YouTube video and stuff like that. When I do live, I'll be shooting off of that. But you guys tell me what you think. What you think about the new Apple Watch? Did y'all purchase it? I'm going to do a lot more things, and I likely want to do a little bit more things, but my hand is shaky on this thing because, you know, trying to hold it, standing out like that. So stay tuned for the vlog. Stay tuned for things. And I also buy and sell cars too. So like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This was just a quick unboxing and my initials and what I feel about the Apple Watch Series 7 Black History Month edition with the green band. Actually, with the green facing with the band. Actually, I think it's a huge color combination. And see, if you look, that part matches it. So you'll see in the video, you already seen it. But like I said before, thank you for watching. Leave a comment below, and there's going to be a link to get yourself entered in the new MacBook Pro 14-inch pretty much close to the top of the line. It's a MacBook Pro M1 Pro with the terabyte hard drive on it and the 16 gigs of RAM, so you can blaze through, have much videos. Man, I'm telling you, wait till you see the video drop when I do more aesthetic, like what I think about it and everything else. And thank you guys for watching, and I see y'all guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's free to hit that subscribe button and the like button, and support the channel with the links below. And also don't forget to get your giveaway, and also stay tuned. Like I said, things is coming. Peace.